Hello everyone. Are you clicking on your Rockstar games launcher and nothing is happening, it's not responding or it's not launching at all? Don't worry, I'm here to save you. First, the solution number one. Press the window button and type Windows Security and open this tab and go to the virus and threat protection. Now go here and manage settings. Now scroll down and go to exclusions, add or remove exclusion. Click here and select folder. Now look for the folder of Rockstar games in C drive, which will be in program files 86. Now scroll down and you will find this Rockstar games folder. Select it here and that's all. Now try to launch the launcher, because sometimes it happens the antivirus gets your program and think that it's virus and stop it from launching. So you can fix it by that, but if that doesn't work, go to solution number two. First go to the program files and then go to the Rockstar folder and just add this symbol underscore before the name of a game or folder name and press continue or change the name, and that's all. Now try to run the game, and if that doesn't work, we have another solution, guys. Don't worry. Press window button, go to settings and go to installed apps and search for OneDrive, and you have to uninstall this OneDrive. You see these three dots here, click here and click on uninstall it, and after it's uninstalled, try to launch the launcher. Hopefully one of these solutions will apply to your system, and I'll be waiting for your like and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.